Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so sorry if you can hear music in the background. My neighbor is currently like blasting it and I'm really hoping that I don't get like copyrighted for it because there's something I can do about it right now except maybe bang on the wall, but it's fine. We'll work through it. So today I have another pin haul for you guys, which I'm so excited about because most of these pins are from one specific pin seller, and it is okay, it's not entirely fantasy pins, but it's mostly fantasy pins, and most of them are from one specific seller. She is AshesFantasyPins, Ashes, oh my gosh, AshesFantasyPins.com, and she also has an Etsy shop as well. So I will link both of those because you guys are gonna want some of these pins. Trust me on that one. Let me go through my little authentic set first though. I just completed this set, or at least I think I just completed this set. I'm not 100% sure. I need to double check and make sure that I have all of the ones that are in this set. I'm trying to put them in letter order for you, which should give you a little bit of a giveaway of what these are. Okay, so I just double checked. Yes, I have completed this set. So these are the Disney Princess Glitter Letter Mystery Pin Box pins. I'll be honest, I am not 100% sure when these came out, but I actually traded for like 2 or 3 of them a while back, and I'm trying to get it so you guys can see these easily. I traded for them a while back. I traded for like 2 of them, and then I loved them so much that I ended up trying to complete the set, which you can see I did, and I just love these. I love displaying them next to my other Disney Princess mystery box set that all came with, that I collected while I was in Disney. And yeah, I think these are so glittery and pretty, and I really like having the whole set. All right, next up I'll do a pin that I actually don't know the maker on this pin because my friend Zoe got this for me when she, I think, was on a live pin sale. She knows how much I love Tiana, and it's this gorgeous stained glass Tiana pin with some floral details. We've got Naveen right there. It is just such a beautiful little pin. So thank you, Zoe, for picking this up for me. I truly love her. Okay, next up are Ashes Fantasy Pins, you guys. These are amazing. So let's start with the Anakin and Padme pins that I got, because I got quite a few. Because if you guys know me, you know I love Anakin and Padme. This pair of ears has Anakin and Padme on them. Is that all of Anakin and Padme? I think it is, yeah. Okay, so she does these really beautiful, slightly risque pins of a lot of Disney couples. Don't judge. Don't judge. If it's not your thing, it's not your thing, but don't judge. So first we have Padme and Anakin kind of engaged in like a little kissy here. We've got shirtless Anakin, which no one minds, and then Padme is wearing her dress where they're sitting in front of the fire during Attack of the Clones, which is iconic, so we love that one. Then we have this even more risque one of them having a little fun up against the wall. And then Padme is in her lake dress. And yeah, I think this pin is also so beautiful. Then we have Padme as a ballerina. And if you don't know, I actually in a past life was a dancer. And so this pin just spoke to me, especially because she's wearing her lake dress or something inspired by her lake dress. It just gave me all the feels. And then lastly, we have Padme and Anakin if they were both Sith. So I love this take on Padme as a Sith. I think it's so cool. She reminds me of Black Swan. I seriously love it. And what's so cool about it is that if you don't know, Natalie Portman is the woman who portrays Padme, and she also plays Black Swan. So I don't know. I just think it's a really cool pin. I don't know if that's what I think her name is Ashley. I don't know if that's what she intended with making her look Sith, but I think it's a really cool looking crossover and I love it. Okay, next up, let's do a couple of my Disney couples pins. So she does a lot of this series as well, where it's like Disney couples kind of in the same embrace, but she just does it with a bunch of different couples. So the first one I have right here is Cinderella and Kit from the live action Cinderella. I don't know about y'all, but I absolutely loved this movie, and the detail on her dress is just amazing with all the glitter and the flower or butterflies, and oh, I love this pin. And then I actually got my first ever Marvel pin. This is Captain America, and shoot. Crap, is her name Margaret? Oh my gosh, why am I forgetting her name? Yeah, Margaret. Oh, but they call her Peggy. That's why I was confused. I was like, I know her name is Margaret, but that didn't feel right. Okay, Peggy. Margaret / Peggy. And I just think that they look so cute together in this picture, or in this pin, sorry. The embrace, the love, everything about it, I'm just kind of obsessed with. So yeah, love those. This next pin is actually not from AshesFantasyPins, but I think she was either reselling it, or I mean, she was reselling it, but I don't know why she was reselling it. This is from Mr. Smee Fantasy Pins, or Mrs. Me Fantasy Pins. I think it's Mr. Smee Fantasy Pins. That's kind of a confusing name. But this one is Jasmine when she's has become a slave to Jafar, and she's in her red outfit. And I just think this pin is also really cool. I love the really like different shape of it. I love that Jasmine's in her red outfit, because I think we all love a good red outfit Jasmine. So yeah, stunning little pin there. And this one's an LE of 50 actually. I think most of these are probably a pretty low LE since she's a fantasy pin maker, but the name of this pin is called Risque Business. That's funny. Oh, that's the name of the whole collection, is Risque Business. That's cute. Love that. Okay. Okay, last 3 pins, you guys. I saved these for last because they're stunning. Like, next level stunning. Okay. I have 3 in this little collection. I'm going to show them to you one at a time because they deserve their own moment. This is the Mulan mermaid pin from this collection, and what I love so much about these are that they have a lot of stained glass elements in the fins, and there's just so much detail, from the flower in her hair to the like red seashells around her waist. Like, it's just stunning, you guys. And this is a big pin. Like, here's my hand next to it versus like the pins that I showed you earlier. This is a big pin, and even like this pin next to it, which is also a huge pin, like this is a massive pin. So if you're a big pin lover like me, this collection is amazing. Okay, next one. Okay, next we have Punzi. You guys, this pin is amazing. Look how stunning. Again, stained glass in the fin, which I think is such a good element because fins are typically like slightly transparent. Her gorgeous hair, the floral and like little cap sleeves, like I just, oh, they're so pretty. I love them. Okay, and now to finish it all off, we have the OG mermaid. And you guys, once again, this pin is probably one of my favorites I've bought in a while because it is that gorgeous. We have Ariel. Once again, an absolutely stunning pin. Stained glass elements on her fins. All of the hair in the entire world, which I'm obsessed with. I also love that they gave her like some sassy eyeshadow and earrings and just kind of gave her an overall sophisticated sort of upgrade. I mean, she's stunning. And also, let me show you. So this is her next to the Mulan, so you guys can see a comparison difference. Like, she is massive. And then here's her next to the Rapunzel. I'm gonna keep comparing next to a regular pin. And then next to like a big sort of normal circular pin. So this is a massive pin and a stunning one at that. So yeah, those are all the pins that I bought recently. I actually just placed another order through Disney Chris, which I did videos a couple weeks back, I think, of me unboxing all the pins that I got from that live sale. So hopefully I'll unbox that soon. I don't think there are many pins in there, so I might wait until I have some more to show you guys. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and hit that big red subscribe button down below to hang out with me every single day for the rest of October. We have some really fun content coming up to finish out this spooky month. And yeah, we are doing a huge giveaway at the end of the month as well. So please make sure that you go follow my Instagram at Holly_Hickman to learn more about that, because I'll be posting on there I'll be posting about it over there as well as announcing it in a video. Also, if you would like any Minnie Mouse ears, I do have an Etsy shop for that. You can go to etsy.com/shop/hollylollyco. I will leave that in the description for you as well to shop all of my ear designs. This one is actually a new one that I did inspired by Scar from The Lion King, and I wore it with my little Scar lounge fly when I was at Disney. These are not available on the shop just yet. But I also do custom orders. So if you're looking for a super special pair for a super special person like yourself, I can do that for you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.